How to get rich quickly, the only guide you need. Everyone wants to be rich, but how do you actually achieve it? The desire to be rich is something that has consumed humans for centuries. Countless individuals have gone to great lengths in the pursuit of wealth, some achieving it, while others falling short. So, what does it really take to get rich quickly? There's no easy answer, but there are certain things that can help increase your chances of building wealth. For starters, you need to have a clear and attainable goal. You also need to be disciplined and patient, two essential ingredients for success. Of course, there's no guarantee that you'll become a millionaire overnight by following these tips. But if you're serious about making money, they're certainly worth considering. Hard work, the most important factor in becoming rich. There is no substitute for hard work when it comes to becoming wealthy. While there are a number of factors that can contribute to wealth, nothing is more important than putting in the time and effort required to achieve success. Those who are willing to work hard will find that their efforts pay off in the long run. It may not happen overnight, but with consistent effort, anyone can become rich. There are a number of methods for building wealth, but they all require a significant amount of work. Saving money is one of the most important things you can do if you want to become rich. Those who are able to save a large percentage of their income are much more likely to build up a sizable nest egg over time. Investing your money wisely is also crucial if you want to see your wealth grow. Being smart with money, save, invest, and don't waste your money. If you want to get rich quickly, you need to be smart with your money. That means saving as much as possible and investing it wisely. It also means not wasting your money on unnecessary things. Saving money is the key to getting rich quickly. You need to make sure you are putting away as much money as possible each month. The best way to do this is to set up a budget and stick to it. Make sure you are automatically transferring a fixed amount of money into savings each month. This will help you reach your goal quicker. Investing your money is another important part of getting rich quickly. You need to make sure you are investing in assets that will appreciate over time. This could include stocks, real estate, or even art. Doing this will help you grow your wealth over time. Taking risks, sometimes you have to take risks to get ahead. You might not want to hear this, but the best way to get rich quickly is to take risks. Of course, there's always a certain amount of risk involved in any business venture or investment, but if you want to make a lot of money quickly, you're going to have to take some chances. Now, that doesn't mean you should go out and start gambling all your money away or anything like that. But it does mean that you should be willing to invest in something that has the potential for high rewards, even though there is also a chance of losing some or all of your investment. Of course, you need to be smart about the risks you take. You shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, as they say. Making a plan, set goals, and create a plan to achieve them. Achieve financial success by following these 8 steps. 1. Make a plan and set goals. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. 3. Invest in yourself by taking courses and learning about money management. 4. Stay disciplined with your spending. 5. Invest in assets such as real estate or mutual funds. 6. Live below your means and save money each month. 7. Have multiple streams of income so you're not relying on just one source of income. 8. Be patient and don't give up on your financial goals. With hard work and dedication, anyone can become rich. Please do subscribe to our Nonsense YouTube channel for more videos. In today's society, people are always looking for ways to make a quick buck. There are a lot of get-rich-quick schemes out there, but most of them are scams. However, there are a few legitimate ways to make money quickly. This video will give you the only guide you need on how to get rich quickly. If you want to get rich quickly, you need to start thinking like a millionaire. You need to be willing to take risks and invest your money in order to make more money. Thank you for watching this video.